Wow. I just feel so much gratitude. I feel like I had, no matter how much transformation work I had previously done, I just felt like I was crawling in the desert, like parched and shrunk wrapped in a way where what I didn't know was so untended, which has been like this course for me has like a buffet of well curated, nutrient dense items that I didn't know that I needed, but I was starving for.
Amazing.
I was just saying to a friend at lunch today, I said, oh my God, I learned that I have parts. And she goes, what? You've got arms, you've got eyes. I said, no, not that. I said, it's like this, like when I would get angry about something, I would be angry about everything. I would have global anger. And I didn't have language or a framework or a conversation or other people to hear how being a human being was for them with that same item.
Yeah.
That I just became more and more inflamed. I was an inflammation.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And so what I'm feeling is I'm getting uninflamed.
Amazing.
This is an anti-inflammatory course.
It is. That's true. And Shosho, I really just, I can see how hungry you've been for growth and how this came at the right time and how committed you are to creating great experiences for other people. The work you're doing is so clearly not just about you. You have a heart to serve, and I see your commitment in being who you are so that others can be uplifted.
Thank you. Thank you.